Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of the Sims FreePlay, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see guys, I have a ton of money and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. So it's super insane, it actually works. So if you played the Sims FreePlay guys, you're probably pretty poor. And I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited money. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video guys. It's fully working, so let's get right into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It's super insane and it is totally updated. So let's hop right into the video and I'll show you guys how to do it. Guys, so as you can see in the Sims FreePlay, we are super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of money just like me. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So what you want to do guys is get on your browser and go to this website. It's called ZooMods and it has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website guys where we can get this Sims FreePlay hack. So let me just go over to the website. So once you're on this website guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Sims FreePlay. So as you can see guys, it says Sims FreePlay Mods. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you have a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. So we'll just give it a minute for it to download. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to actually download it in this video. But for you guys, you just want to wait for it to download guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself guys. It's super insane and it actually works. So yeah, I'm just going to go to the search bar and type in Sims FreePlay just to show you guys. But as you can see guys, it is super expensive. So let me just show you guys. Here's the game. And when we go in-app purchases, as you can see guys, look how expensive everything is. Bro, I ain't paying for no social points. I'm getting all this shit for free. For free. I'm getting it for free. And how do you do that guys? Well, you got to go to ZooMods, alright? So that is the website where we can do this. Alright, so be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself guys. It's super insane and it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super awesome. And yeah, Sims FreePlay hack and mod. So please try my video. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you made a ton of money. Like me, as you can see, look at that. I got like 25 million, 130 million. This is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. All you got to do, guys, is go to ZooMods. You're going to be all set. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, it's totally working, guys. Super crazy. So subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. And peace out, gang.